The total score for all 20 students is 20 times 75 equals 1,500. The total score for the 10 students who scored an average of 80 is 10 * 80 is equal to 800. The total score for the other 10 students is 1,500 to 800 equals 700. Therefore, the average score for the other 10 students is 700 out of 10 equals 70. The graph of the equation intersects the x-axis when y equals 0. Setting the equation equal to 0 gives 0 equals 1/2 x plus 1 x 3. This equation is satisfied when either x plus 1 equals 0 or x 3 equals 0. Solving for x in each of these equations yields x equals -1 and x equals 3. Therefore, the x-coordinates of the 2 points of intersection are -1 and 3. There are 10 marbles in total. The probability of choosing a blue marble is the number of blue marbles divided by the total number of marbles, or 3/10. The diameter of the circle is equal to the side length of the square. Since the radius of the circle is 5, the diameter is 10. Therefore, the area of the square is 10 times 10 equals 100. The area of a circle is given by the formula pi r superscript 2, where r is the radius of the circle. Since the diameter of the circle is 10 units, the radius is 5 units. Therefore, the area of the circle is pi 5 superscript 2 equals 25 pi square units. Substituting -2 for x in the function, we get f minus 2 equals 2 minus 2 superscript 2 plus 3 minus 2, 1. Simplifying, we get f minus 2 equals 8 to 6, 1, or f minus 2 equals -9. Triangle ABC is a right triangle, so we can use the Pythagorean theorem to find the length of BC. The Pythagorean theorem states that in a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. In this case, BC is the hypotenuse. So, we have BC superscript 2 equals AB superscript 2 plus AC superscript 2. Substituting the given values, we get BC superscript 2 equals 5 superscript 2 plus 12 superscript 2, which simplifies to BC superscript 2 equals 25 plus 144, or BC superscript 2 equals 169. Taking the square root of both sides, we find BC equals 13. We can use a Venn diagram to visualize the problem. Let B represent the set of students who like basketball and S represent the set of students who like soccer. We are given that N, B, equals 60, N, S, equals 40, and N, B intersection S, equals 20. We are asked to find N, B backslash set minus S. Since N, B union S equals N, B, plus N, S, N, B intersection S, we know N, B union S, equals 60 plus 40 minus 20 is equal to 80. Therefore, the number of students who like to play only basketball, N, B backslash set minus S, equals N, B union S, N, S, equals 80 40 is equal to 40. To find the number of people who prefer apples to oranges, we multiply the total number of people surveyed, 100, by the percentage who prefer apples, 60%. 100 times 0.60 is equal to 60. To find the value of f, minus 2, we substitute minus 2 for x in the function, f, minus 2 equals, minus 2, superscript 2 plus 3, minus 2, 1 is equal to 4, 6 minus 1 is equal to minus 3. Therefore, the value of f, minus 2, is minus 3. To solve for x, we can use elimination. Multiplying the second equation by 3, we get 3x 3y equals 6. Adding this equation to the first equation, we get 5x equals 23. Dividing both sides by 5, we get x equals 23/5, or x equals 4.6. Of the choices given, 5 is closest to 4.6. The slope of a line passing through 2 points is given by the formula y2, y1 / x2, x1. Substituting the points 2, 5, and 4, 11 into the formula gives 11-5/4-2 equals 6/2 equals 3. Therefore, the slope of the line is 3.